Hello, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today, I will tell you about a big surprise and our future plans. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start.
Every day feels the same. I wake up, I work, I cook, I clean. The sky is gray. The room is quiet. I look at the clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Do you ever feel bored? Do you want an adventure? Today, my ordinary day changed in 1 second. In this video, you will learn how to react to good news in English. You will also see a big surprise for my family. First, I sit on the sofa. I fold the clothes. The clothes feel warm and soft. Then, I look at the calendar. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There is no special day this month. The paper looks plain and white. Next, I listen to the rain. The sound is soft and slow. The clock makes small talk sound. Life is good, but life is very quiet. After that, I sat as trained. Finally, I closed my eyes and took a deep, wide breath. Stop for a moment. Let's learn some new words. Look at this word, routine. Routine means doing the same thing every day. For example, I cook dinner every night. That is my routine. Next word, surprise. A surprise is something unexpected. You do not know it before. It makes you feel excited. Last word, booked. I booked a flight. Booked means I bought the tickets before the trip.
Then the door opens. David walks in. He smiles in a playful way.
I have a surprise for you.
Oh, what is it?
Ta-da! Tickets to the concert.
Oh, wait, that's amazing. Destination Chusta. What is this? Are we flying?
Yes, next week. Just us and the kids.
But work, school?
Stop worrying. Start packing.
I feel shocked. I feel excited. I feel very happy. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. No way. Are you serious? Repeat again. No way. Are you serious? Next sentence. Repeat it. I can't believe it! Last sentence. This is the best surprise ever. Repeat. This is the best surprise ever. This is the best surprise ever. Very good. Now a small question. Where are we going next week? A. Bifes, Costa Rica. The answer is B. Costa Rica, an adventure in the jungle. Finally, I hold the tickets in my hands. The colors look bright and beautiful. Goodbye, boring routine. Hello, adventure. Sometimes you just need to say yes. That is my big surprise and our future plan. What about you? Do you want to travel to a tropical island? Tell me in the comments. Next week, we will go to the airport. What should I pack? What if I see a monkey or a snake? I feel excited and a little nervous. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!